a new addition to the Fostering Classics workshop, a 2000 Mini Cooper, just collected today from Guildford in Surrey. Came back on the trailer. Quick first glimpse of the car. Mixed condition, some corrosion. I think all Minis of this age have corrosion. Some of it's really good. So the first job I've done already, I just gave it a quick wash to see what the paintwork was like. Second job will be to get it up onto the ramp, shuffle the cars around slightly to get the Mini up onto the ramp and have a look underneath. A brief summary of the car. It's, as I said, it's 2000. It's one of the last few cars to be built, one of the last tens of cars to be built of the original type Mini. The middle of 2000 it came off the production line, so it's 19 years old. It's done 74,000 miles. It does have a service history. It's got a stamped service book. It did have just one owner all the way until March this year, and it was taken as a part payment for some building work that the owner had done to their house. So he surrendered this and some money to pay for some building work, and the builder decided to let his wife use it for a while, so they registered it in their name since March this year. So it's technically a two-owner car. Unfortunately, it would have been nice to keep it as a one-owner car on the documents, but there we are. So yeah, so as I said, next stage really is to have a good assessment. I know full well there's a lot to do. There's rust on the front panels. There's rust in the door sills. I did look at a few before buying this one, and some of them are really, really bad. I can't believe how much of a car of relatively young, I mean this is 19 years old, how much corrosion has happened in that time, and how poor the corrosion protection was for a car that really is still quite a modern car. So one good thing about Minis is the part supply is vast and they're relatively good value as well, so readily available and readily good value, and you can get multiple different sections to replace, you know, the corroded areas. Rather than trying to replace massive sections, you can get small sections to weld in. So I'll be doing some sketches and working out what actually needs to be changed and what not needs to be changed. So I'm quite excited about this. It's quite nostalgic. I drove a little Mini when I first passed my test. Actually, I used to enjoy driving around in a little white Mini, driving like a bit of a hooligan. And this is exactly the same. You just hop in and it just feels like putting a pair of jeans back on a comfy pair of jeans. It's such a fun little car, nice little go-kart. It weighs, I think they're about 750 kilos, so even though it's only a 1.3 fuel injected engine, it feels quite quick. Good fun.